What's up, guys? Wanted to hop on here quick, and I know some people were interested in the ClickFunnels affiliate program. So this training is just going to be step by step how you can sign up, get your forms filled out, and then make sure you get locked into the legacy affiliate program so you can earn 40% commissions. They announced some changes, so all new affiliates coming in after October 31st who haven't completed this process and earned their first $100 are going to get bumped down to 30% commissions. Once you get 40 affiliates, you do get bumped back up to that 40% rate, but all the legacy affiliates are going to be locked in at that 40% commission rate. So basically this training was designed for those of you who plan to either promote that after the One Funnel Away Challenge as your main offer, or we're thinking about it as an additional income stream in the future. It's kind of important to just get this step done, get that first 100, and then you're locked in. So the pressure's kind of off after that. So you can focus on other things if you want, or if you did want to go the affiliate route, this is a great way to start and make sure you're going to be profitable. So basically, I'm going to walk you through the steps. This is live in my Facebook group, so I'm going to drop some links with this video. Basically, your first step, guys, if you did want some help from me, one-on-one coaching and stuff like that, I'm going to drop the link where you can sign up for ClickFunnels. So that's right there. That's going to make you my personal affiliate. You'll get taken to this page here, and basically you can start your free trial. The benefits of joining an affiliate who's actually active is you'll have someone to ask questions when you get stuck. A lot of people just sign directly up through ClickFunnels. You're paying the same amount. With an affiliate that's active, you're going to get some additional help, and hopefully they're actually a good affiliate that's actually going to try to help you get further in your journey as well. So basically you push this button here. It's going to take you to this ClickFunnels sign up page where you can start your 14-day free trial. You'll enter your name, information, get started. Then it's going to take you to the next page where you can put in your other info. You have 14 days, 100% risk-free. You can cancel anytime and your card won't be charged before that. If you do continue, it's going to start you off on the Edison Suite plan. So my advice is once you start your trial, if you're not planning to use Actionetics, you can go up here to Settings, Account Settings, and go to Account Billing. And this is where your subscription is, so you can choose a different plan. And if you want to start on the $97 a month plan, go ahead and choose a different plan and downgrade right here to the $97 a month plan. With that, you'll need actually autoresponder. My advice is Active Campaign. There are some other ones out there. That's the one I could teach you on. Also, I've heard good things about Aweber and GetResponse. So you can click that and sign up for Active Campaign. Okay, then once you're set up with that, that's the first step. So then you're going to want your affiliate account. And you can go to What's Your Dream Car. And basically that's where you can set up the affiliate account. I'm going to drop that link. Everyone has to re-register for this. Even if you registered before, you have to go to whatsyourdreamcar.com and re-register for the affiliate program. And there's a help doc for this if you need it. I'm going to drop a link to that as well. basically this will walk you through how to set this up. You need to fill out the Tipalti forms, which that's their payment processor, so you can get paid your commissions. They got the different payment options here, and basically also your tax forms like a W-9 in the U.S. If you're outside of the U.S., I'm not exactly sure what the form is, but I'm sure they'll have that info here. So here's that help doc. Again, this is what'syourdreamcar.com. You can see kind of the info they want here. They're going to send you a shirt, I think, as well for becoming an affiliate. And you can say whether you're a customer or not. They want your social media info. Don't worry if you don't have a lot of this set up or if you don't have a big following. They'll still approve you. They just kind of want to know where each member is and what their best members are doing to promote the company. So basically, once you fill that out, you can log in here if you already have your account set up. If you don't, you'll use this one. And once you get into Tipalti, they're going to email you this link. It's going to be a personal link for Tipalti to your email after you sign up as an affiliate. And they'll have you fill out all your details. You can either sign up as a company if you're going to use an LLC, or personal. You could sign up with your personal information. And this keeps your payment history here, so you can see all your commissions you've been paid. And the commissions usually take between 30 to 45 days to get paid out. So there's a cooling off period, and then they pay out twice a month. So it just depends when you're earning commissions when they're going to get paid out. So if you want to grab your affiliate links to start promoting, from your ClickFunnels dashboard here, you'll scroll down and click More Affiliate Tools. That's going to take you to all your affiliate links. You'll click Log into your dashboard. As you can see, you can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commissions. And that's anyone who signed up for any of the recurring programs ClickFunnels has. You get 40% recurring commissions. So that's why ClickFunnels has one of the best affiliate programs out there. You don't just get paid initially, you continue to get paid as long as people are active with you. So my recommendation, get the One Funnel Away Challenge affiliate links, and every person you sign up is going to earn you $100. Now there's different ways you can get people into this program. You can do straight through the One Funnel Away Challenge. They got the 30-day summit. They got the affiliate boot camp, and it's an upgrade and downgrade in certain funnels. So depending on who you're trying to promote it to, you could choose different ones. But this is the affiliate link you're going to want to grab right here. You can tell it's yours because of this unique affiliate ID. So anytime you're sharing it, double check that that's your affiliate ID before you send it out. And the next step I do after this is I'll grab this link and take it over to something called bit.ly.com. Basically, this is a URL shortener, and it's going to mask that link and make it look a little prettier. And it also gives you some analytics. So you get to see where your clicks are coming from, the locations of people who are clicking your links, and stuff like that you wouldn't get if you were just sending out your link. And you can use this to prove to support that someone signed up as well through your affiliate link. So it's just a good way to go. It's a free tool. I'll drop it below as well. So then once you have your URL, you'll paste it here. That's going to shorten the URL. And I can pick this custom link on the back end. And basically you could make multiple ones of these to put on multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, to track them separately and know which one's performing better. And basically at that point, once you've signed up for the affiliate program at whatsyourdreamcar.com, filled out your Tipalti forms and your tax forms, and you've promoted the One Funnel Away Challenge or any of the other ClickFunnels products to earn $100, you're locked in as a legacy affiliate. You'll be earning 40% commissions, and that's pretty much, you're good to go at that point. So if you guys have any questions, or I need to go through something slower, just reach out and let me know. I think this is an important step for anyone who's interested. But I'm going to hop off here for now. You can shoot me a message or drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to respond to all of them. You guys have a good day, and I'll see you later.